Alright guys, let's go on another geocaching adventure to Pemberton, BC. But first, we'll fuel up at the Timmy's.
For the first episode of Season 2, we're going to waterfall in love with the road to 15,000 by starting on the road to Pemberton, BC. So pack your favorite geocache road trip snack and sign up for a new season of geocaching adventures.
So along our way to our destination, in between Squamish and the world famous Whistler, along the Sea to Sky Highway, we are stopping at Brandywine Falls. It is a provincial park, definitely a place worth stopping. There's a couple of geocaches and an earth cache here. We'll take you around a little bit, show you while we're here. And there's bathrooms.
The spectacularly misnamed 70-meter Brandywine Falls offers neither brandy nor wine. Once over this disappointment, you can, however, enjoy the views along a short trail from the parking area, replete with a plethora of 2 or 3 geocaches for you to stamp your own name into before stopping to take in the view down to Daisy Lake.
Hey guys, so there's where the Brandywine River goes out into the lake, and just astounding beauty out here. Enjoying the falls. We're going to head back to the truck now, continue our adventure. Keep watching. We'll have some more fun, find some more geocaches, see some more amazing stuff. So guys, we're just passing through our very famous, world famous village of Whistler. Gotta tell you, any time of the year, be prepared. It's gonna be slow going. We're not gonna stop here on this trip on our way to Pemberton. We got a couple more stops ahead, but lots of traffic lights, lots of traffic, lots of bicycles. So we got about another 25 kilometers to go to our next stop. So we'll see you there.
There is coming up a turn into Nairn Falls Provincial Park. Are you seeing a theme yet? Do you have to go to the washroom?
Hey guys, we are on the trail to Nairn Falls, just up above the river. Beautiful. We're almost in Pemberton. This is one of our last stops before we get into the town and show you the town. Alright, so we're closing in on another traditional before we get to the earth cache, which is actually at Nairn Falls, but as you can hear by the river down below us, we're getting closer and closer to the waterfalls. That is a fast moving river down there, but wait till you see it. It is beautiful. Alright, let's find a geocache. So the challenge is on who's going to find the cache first. Mrs. Monkey seems to think it's over in this direction. Let's see what we can find. Seems like a logical place to put a geocache. Let's see what we can find here. Ah, what about this? What about all this moss and wood piled up? Oh, I think I found me a geocache. Found it, I win. Holy. Look at the son of a gun here. Beautiful, just beautiful.
Nairn Falls lies 20 minutes north of Whistler and 5 minutes from Pemberton. Access is an easy 1.5 kilometer hike along a trail with a few geocaches for you to find and an earth cache at the end.
So what we also found out is that there's boat tours that come up the river to check this out. So let's see if we can see the boat coming back down the river here.
And then a short drive to the town of Pemberton for lunch and, well, more geocaching, of course.
Alright guys, so we've had lunch in Pemberton. We've now headed just outside the city of Pemberton, or the town or village of Pemberton, and we are going to hike around 1 Mile Lake, pick up some geocaches, enjoy the sunshine and just the beautiful scenes along the lake. Oh, that would have been good for the hidden creatures.
1 Mile Lake, or more correctly 1.61 kilometer lake, is a year-round accessible and family-friendly location. It's within the town limits of Pemberton and is ringed by an easy trail with 7 fun, unique geocaches, so it makes a great destination to end your Sea to Sky road trip, unless you're planning to carry on up into Gold Country. So don't forget to pack your sense of adventure and plenty of water, because this lake tastes terrible.
So guys, that was a great adventure out to Pemberton in British Columbia, driving the Sea to Sky highway, finding some caches and all kinds of great places, doing some cool walks, checking out some waterfalls. Hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for the next adventure.
That's right, we're launching into Season 2 of Geocaching Adventures, and we're taking you all over the Northwest on our road to 15,000 geocache finds. Make sure you subscribe to never miss an episode of our Geocaching Adventures.